This is Alyssa from All Things Automotive here in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Today we are looking at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. We're going to go ahead and take a look here. We're going to start up here at the front. This is a really cool looking Wrangler. As you can see, you have the American flag here on the front of the Jeep. You also have your front fog lights. Go over here to the side. We do have our 16-inch luxury styled steel wheels. Really great depth here, as you can see there. Pretty good looking tire. You have your extra step here on the side. Take a look back here. Matching tire, really good depth. Really nice rim and tire. You have your spare tire here on the back, like every Jeep has. Yep, matching tires here. There's your step. And one more really good tire here. Alright, we're going to start here in the back first. Go and open up the back here. You do have that extra space at the back of your Jeep. As most Jeeps do, they have their logo along with another depiction here of their item. And take a look here in the back seat. As you can see, this is a removable top that you can remove at any time. We're going to go ahead and open this up. These are just the half metal doors with locks, so you can take the top of this door off as well. It is the dark cloth seating. You can look up top. You have your extra speakers, extra lights up there. You do have your cup holders back here for your rear occupants, as long as like a WeatherTech mat here from Jeep. Take a look up front here. Same thing, you have a little bit of storage here on the side. You do have your bar here to adjust your seat. You do have your extra red interior here. And like I said, you have that dark cloth up here in the front. We're gonna go ahead and jump in here. Gonna go ahead and start it up. There, if you can see there on the front, you do have 6,495 miles on this, so it's really low miles. Looks like it was really taken care of. They got a lot of custom additions to this. You have your extra red here, along with your extra red here, the whole way across the vehicle. Go ahead and turn this off. You have your Bluetooth options here, as well as your menu settings. Over here, you have your lights and your wiper settings. Here you have your cruise control settings. You have your pretty standard FM, AM radio here. You can set your stations. You have your Bluetooth, and then you can set up an auxiliary cord as well. And it does have the CD compartment too. Down here, you have extra places to hook up the power. You have your extra storage down here if you need it. And here's all of your heating and cooling controls. Down here, you have your four-wheel drive, as well as your shifting rod here, along with this red interior again. You have your brake here, as long as your two cup holders here. On the inside, you have your higher shelf there, as well as your lower down here. And you do have a USB port in here, as well as another battery. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take a step out. I'm going to show you the key. Right now we do just have this key. And we'll take a look around to see if we can find any blemishes on this vehicle. Overall, this vehicle was really taken care of. I don't really see any stone chippings. Really well maintained vehicle, really low miles, looks really good. I don't really see any stone chippings, no dents, no blemishes. It looks really good. So if you're interested in seeing this vehicle or getting some more information about it, you can give us a call here at 717-4 485-4224. Check out our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com or come see us at our dealership here at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg. Thanks for watching.